What's up, gals and pals? It's your boy Vino. So today we continue our countdown to Cinco de Mayo with another tequila cocktail. And this one is called CHINGÓN. This cocktail is created by Brian Miller over at Death & Co. And he created this cocktail to pay homage to all of the hard-working barbacks at Death & Co. And if you don't know, the word CHINGÓN is a Mexican slang term for badass. So he obviously has a lot of admiration for the hard-working barbacks. And I can tell you from experience, those guys bust their ass. Anyway, folks, so we're gonna go ahead and make this cocktail. So make sure you stick around because we're gonna boogie down. All right, guys, so this is a shaking cocktail, so make sure you get your shaker out and let us look at what is in the sauce. The first thing we're gonna need is 2 ounces of a Reposado Tequila. As usual, I am using Espolon. That is my go-to Reposado, but whatever you guys have is obviously gonna work. Your tequila of choice, all right? And the next thing we're gonna need is really interesting, is a 1/4 ounce of Benedictine. Now Benedictine is a great, really kind of, spicy herbal liqueur. So this should add some really nice notes to the cocktail. I'm really excited about that. Love to use this stuff. I only really use it like in, kind of fall, winter cocktails. So it's nice to use in a, springish, summerish cocktail. You know what I'm saying? And then the next thing we're gonna need is a 1/2 ounce of Orgeat, all right? Now, I like to use Libre & Co. if I'm not making them myself, but you can go ahead and use whatever Orgeat you have. All right. And then the next thing we're gonna need is a 1/2 ounce of orange juice and 1/2 ounce of lime juice, all right? So I already went ahead and pre-squeezed some juice, put it all into my container here, and get it all done in one shot, all right? There we go, folks, beautiful. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some ice to our shaker. And let's shake that up for about 10 to 15 seconds. All right, folks, I think we shook that bad boy up enough. Let's go ahead and put that to the side and get our glass out, which I had chilling like a villain. So I'm gonna be pouring that into a coupe. And per usual, I'm going to double strain it. Let's go. All right, folks, I think we got all that we can get out of our shaker here. All right, it smells really good. I can actually smell all the nuttiness from the Orgeat, which is nice. All right, so let's put this off to the side, and then we're just gonna garnish that with a little orange here. I got a bunch of little orange peels here. I'm gonna spread some orange zest over this bad boy first, or some of the lemon oils. Okay, and then I'm gonna just have my nicely manicured orange peel here. I'm gonna throw that right into the cocktail there, right, folks? So there we have it, our CHINGÓN cocktail. All right, so let's go ahead and give this bad boy a sippy sip. And no, you're not going crazy. Those lights were off before. So I just turned them on because I forgot to do that. Anyway, let's go ahead and give this bad boy a sippy sip. Cheers. Yeah, like right in the nose, like I said, you're definitely getting some of them almond notes and some of them citrus notes. It's actually a very nice pairing. Oh, that's a very nice cocktail. The almond it definitely comes through, the Orgeat flavors definitely come through first, but they work really nicely with the citrus notes. It's a very nice dance, a very nice balance. It is a nice cocktail, very nice. I'm not picking up too much of the Benedictine, if any at all. I'm sure it's there somewhere in my palate, but my palate is really not picking up on it. But either way, the cocktail is still actually quite delicious. Very nice, easy sipper. A little bit on the sweet end, but a very nice cocktail to, once again, celebrate Cinco de Mayo with, and a nice, homage by Mr. Brian Miller to his barbacks and stuff, right, folks? Look, if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share it with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.